The Dark Corn in Jurassic World. Audiobook Part 1. Ship Production. The Injured Accident. The welcome distance. It's coming. It said. You are drinking. It's thirsty, the coffee, the water. It's not. It's dropping the water in the sea. The water is dropping the cup. It's fall away and jumping here. It's died because dinosaurs eat the cup. He's choking. It's a do get choking here. He dead. The T-Rex dead and choking. I'm a choking. I miss the world. He said. What? What you say? He said. No, you can't. Because I will walk away. He said, shut up. I will get more. No, you get more. He said. Get no more drinks. Okay, okay, I will drink. 2 hours later, he walked. He said, no, you don't do it. You can't drink it anymore. Do you like what they fire? He said, no one to get. Come on. You can do this, dinosaur. He said, no, please. No, no, you can die. I died. He said, he did. He did the kids, 100 kids. The T-Rex to eat everyone because Coach Rapane recording the world. It's not because it's doing the far away that's doing that. Don't do it. I swear. He said, no. He said, no. That was not. He said, no, please. No, don't do it. Don't get trouble. Don't do it. You get trouble. He gets destroyed them. And then he said the cup said they drop in the water. It did. After did the same again. It's throwing in. Choices. The trap is joining. It's choking. I'm a genius. No what? Because so Miles. Wherever you go, says David. And Dominus Rex said he killed him. He did. T-Rex, he eat everyone. He eats his blood. Oh no, he said. Don't do it, bro. You can die. Come on, go to the police. And doing that. And walk. You know what to get. Come on, you can't do anything. This is so much. He said, someone's in us. He said, wait for me. I want to get him. I said, no, you can't do that. So drink said, need this. No, you drink. The dinosaur. You fight him. A T-Rex. The Spinosaurus. They eat the T-Rex died. The Spinosaurus walking away. A trap. They carry you. Said the dogs here. Because they killed the Spinosaurus. They walk away. He eat it. Spinosaurus dead. I got dog. The Spinosaurus, the dogs in here. He eat it. Be back in 2018. It's not 2008 because he's just destroying them and it destroyed it all. And here, everybody at the stake. And then he showed them color shown in science. And then destroying them is us. It's us. He said, no, he said, don't want to get this. Okay, the solar. No, You get just us. No, no, no. He's dead. It's there suspiciously the boss raptor. Raptor, he said. Boss raptor. Come on.